It can happen to any of us. A sudden job loss or illness wipes out our savings. A frail older relative is no longer safe living alone without help. Tensions in a family are affecting a child's behavior. The Fairfax County Department of Family Services can help in these and many other situations, connecting you with resources, information, and opportunities. Access family services and get the help you need for yourself, your family, your neighbors, and your community. Fairfax County's Department of Family Services provides support and services to protect and improve the well-being of children, adults, and families in our community. It includes the divisions of Adult and Aging, Children, Youth, and Families, and Self-Sufficiency, as well as the Office for Children and the Office for Women and Domestic and Sexual Violence Services. The Adult and Aging Division provides services for older adults and adults with disabilities. Social workers and over 2,000 local volunteers provide in-home services and outreach to help people maximize their independence, and community support networks. This division includes the Fairfax Area Agency on Aging, with its wide array of volunteer-run programs for older adults, Adult Protective Services, which investigates reports of abuse and neglect, Adult Services, providing case management, and Disability Services Planning and Development, helping people with disabilities maximize their opportunities. The Children, Youth, and Families Division works to protect children and support families. The Child Protective Services Hotline Helpline at 703-324-7400 responds to concerns and offers information about parenting and keeping children safe. The division also offers in-home support and parenting programs to families who are facing challenges. Programs include Child Protective Services, foster care and adoption, family preservation services, and child abuse prevention services. The Self-Sufficiency Division helps eligible county residents access public assistance programs such as Medicaid and food stamps, which is now called SNAP, the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. Another important service is the division's Employment and Training Program, which operates skill-source employment centers throughout the county, helping job seekers connect with local employers and career opportunities. The Office for Children advances the care, education, and healthy development of children from birth through elementary school. The Office for Children helps families find and pay for child care, issues permits for child care providers who care for children in their homes, and offers professional development opportunities for early childhood educators. OFC also provides services to children and their families through the School-Age Child Care Program and the Head Start and Early Head Start programs. The Office for Women and Domestic and Sexual Violence Services provides support, intervention, and shelter for victims of sexual violence and domestic abuse. Intervention is also offered for those who have been abusive toward loved ones. Office staff also supports the county's Commission for Women, which advises county leaders about issues affecting women and girls in Fairfax County. There are many ways to get in touch with the county's Department of Family Services and other human services resources in the community. One easy way is to call the county's Coordinated Services Planning, or CSP, telephone hotlines at 703-222-0880, TTY 703-803-7914. The CSP telephone line is open from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Social workers answer the calls and can provide efficient and coordinated access to various sources of assistance from county government as well as nonprofit and community-based human services providers. After business hours, you can call 211, a statewide human services hotline that is staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Both the CSP telephone line and the statewide 211 hotline can connect you with information about local sources of emergency food, shelter, clothing, crisis counseling, and more. If you need to visit us in person, you may drop by one of our office locations. The Department of Family Services has regional offices across the county in Fairfax, Falls Church, and the South County area, and 2 offices in Reston, at Lake Ann and Cameron Glen. Services are different at the two Reston offices, so please call before visiting. If you visit one of our offices, you will be greeted by a worker who will find out the reason why you are visiting, and then assign you to a caseworker who is the most qualified to address your needs and goals. The caseworker will assess your current family or individual situation, provide social services, and give referrals to resources in the community if appropriate. If you are coming in for only one particular service, the caseworker will also assess your situation to see if you may be eligible for additional services as well. To find help online, you can visit our website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DFS. As you look through the website, you can find out how to apply for SNAP or Medicaid, how to find free or low-cost health care, or where to get help and training for a new career. From the website, you can check out a nursing home, find tips on parenting and child supervision, learn how to become a foster or adoptive parent, or even discover a new volunteer opportunity. Important phone numbers and information about our office locations, programs, and services are all available on the web at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DFS. Here are some important telephone numbers in DFS. Child Protective Services, 703-324-7400. Adult Protective Services, 703-324-7450. Aging, Disability, and Caregiver Resources, 703-324-7948. Victim Assistance Network, 703-360-7273. Artemis House Family Abuse Crisis Shelter, 703-435-4940. For other DFS services during business hours, you can call the department's general number at 703-324-7500. The Department of Family Services has many simple and convenient ways for you to access a full range of services and support. Let's recap and take another look at the different ways you can access family services. Access family services online at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DFS for immediate access to information about our programs and services and important phone numbers. Access family services by calling the main DFS phone number 703-324-7500, TTY 711, or by calling any of our regional offices. For short-term emergency help with basic needs, such as food and shelter, call the county's Coordinated Services Planning at 703-222-0880, TTY 703-803-7914, or dial 211 if you need help after regular business hours, or help for someone living in Virginia but outside of Fairfax County. Access family services in person at any one of our 5 regional office locations in Fairfax, Falls Church, and the South County area, and 2 offices in Reston at Lake Ann and Cameron Glen. The Department of Family Services can provide help for you, your family, your neighbors, your community. You may be a longtime county resident looking for some in-home assistance so you can continue to live safely at home. You may be a mom seeking a trusted child care reference, a dad looking for a new job, or a neighbor concerned about the safety of a child down the street. Fairfax County's Department of Family Services is here to help all of us build a caring community where all in Fairfax County are safe and have dignity, well-being, and hope. Access Family Services. We're here to help.